Well, today we're doing some indoor-outdoor carpet, and it's going to glue down. So what you need to do when you buy your carpet, you want to find out which trowel to use. This particular one, which is about the most common, is 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch, so it's fairly simple because it's got a rubber back on it. Some of the others that have no rubber backing, in other words they're rough on the back, need a little bigger. Some not so rough, not so big, but 1/8 inch for this one so it doesn't ball up underneath the carpet. Alright, here we go. Also find out the glue that you're supposed to use. This is different than your regular glue down linoleum floor, because this you lay the carpet down right before it dries, and so you've got plenty of working time. But I mean, when I say plenty, you've got about 30 minutes. So if you get a phone call or something, you might be in trouble while you're putting the glue down. Get you a great big old blob. Just be as messy as you can. Because when you're putting this stuff down, you just want to glob it down. You just want to glob it down and then just kind of smear it around. You want to get the glue everywhere you possibly can, and then when you've got it pretty well thinned out, then come back with your 1/8 and 1/8. This is why you want to wear gloves. Alrighty, here we go. We want to start at the top and work our way down. Now, we did cut the carpet to fit first, so and try to do one side at a time. Gaining on it. Well, I really lucked out here. Look at there, perfect fit, but I do have to trim some over here, so you don't want to start trimming until you get totally done with it. Good old Harbor Freight, and there everything brushes. Also, keep your glue in case you need a little touch up here and there. Once you know you're totally done, then you get rid of it.